from a long line of whakagalas. That's gossipers. That's nosy parkers. And one of the things that I want to share with you is how to also become your own Panirazzi. Grab some equipment. It's called a camera. Grab a lens. With a big long lens like this, you can zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. Let's go do some stalking, or as they call it in Samoa, detective work. As you know, I am the huntress, and I'm after my prey, and I pray for my prey, because today's prey is two of the most successful New Zealand comedians, and I hear that one of them is a really hot bod, and I think it only makes sense that my muckers go and check it out. Hi.
Are you the masseuse?
Yes, of course, yes.
Shoulders are a bit tight.
Oh,
Yeah.
We like tight. How long have you guys been performing?
12 years.
That's a long time. That's
very long
a child.
I love my grandchildren,
Hey.
but I hate that DVD of Frozen. My kids sing Let It Go from when they wake up to Let It Go till they go to sleep. You know, I'm sitting there the whole day thinking, oh, let me go, please.
How do you guys keep your material fresh?
By having people ring me right in the middle of my message. It's my mum.
You have to answer that
Yeah,
one.
this is
No,
going to be
sorry.
a Tuilangi one.
Yeah, it's
Hello,
all right.
mate. Yeah.
We never run out of material. As long as we have Iti's family, we've always got heaps of material.
Oh, oi, Willie.
I can't pronounce this kid's name. Hey, astronaut!
Ashton.
Hey, Ashtray, turn your music down and text your dad and ask him why he named you this stupid name.
You guys have got really beautiful shoulders. And I just wanted to ask, how much do you guys lift?
Depends how much I'm eating at the time.
Also good for the gluteus maximus, eh?
Oh, I think you can say, Paula, I've already maximized my gluteus over here, huh?
Guys, what do you do to warm up before a show? Vocal warm-ups? None of that?
Maybe a little bit.
Have you guys ever had to deal with hecklers?
No. I think it's a good thing that we don't have too many people with Tourette's syndrome come to our shows. Is it Tourette's? No, it's Tourette's.
Yeah. But Tourette's is the same thing.
I always want to jump on that trampoline.
Dad, it's a trampoline. Yeah, but it's the biggest in New Zealand. It's a trampoline.
Yeah, but what do you do on it?
Jump?
Yeah, it's a trampoline. Huh?
So you're both married,
Yes.
happily?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
So
Just worth a try, worth a try.
Yeah, a lot of tourists come to Samoa to get married, no? Yeah, Palangi kêu chứ.
Oh, no, I'm marrying a local girl, Samoan girl. Yeah.
Okay. Uzo. Hey, bao nhiêu xí là? Yeah, chắc là cha phê nữa. Yeah, đấy là. He's marrying a local.
If you do need someone to go on tour with you to do this, I'm a very good squeezer, so call me.
In that case, then, don't call us. We'll call you.
Oh, okay, better.
If it's Samoan who's just come from Samoa, they're all the same. Huh? They only after one thing. It starts with the letter S.
Auntie, don't be embarrassing.
The letter S, citizenship.